Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone was launched in December 2017. The phone comes with a 5.99-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels at a PPI of 403 pixels per inch. The Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus is powered by 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. The phone packs 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 128 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus runs Android 7.1.2 and is powered by a 4000 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 158.50 by 75.45 by 8.05, high-text width x thickness, and weigh 179.50 grams. The Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, infrared, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.